Google Pixel tablet. Decided to go ahead and pick this up. Cool thing about this tablet is that it comes with a charging speaker dock. So when you're not using the tablet, you go ahead and dock it on the speaker dock, and it kind of doubles as a home hub, or they're calling it like a Nest hub. I did get the 128 gigabyte model. Quick look at the box. Google logo right there, and we have the seal right there. And that's pretty much it. And that's what it looks like, as you can see. So that's pretty cool. And then some visuals on the instructions on how to mount the tablet on the speaker dock. Got some tabs right here. Yeah, I like how nowadays they make opening boxes easy now. You don't really need a knife nowadays, so it's pretty cool. Go ahead and open this up, and we'll have a look. Google Pixel tablet, charging speaker dock. Check this out, and here's the device itself. Nicely wrapped, so you can see. So put this to the side for now, and then in here should be the dock, right? But first, we're greeted with documentation, of course, and this is, what is this? Just some instructions, etc. Let's get started, yada yada yada. We'll put that to the side for now. Here is the dock. There it goes, and then here's the dock. Feels good to touch. Fairly high quality, I have to say. Yeah, that's nice. And then on the bottom here, this is rubberized, so it doesn't slide around the surface. So that's cool. Have some connectors here. And for what I've seen, this connects via magnets. Google logo right there, and that's where you connect the power. Just like that. And you charge the thing that way. Cool. We'll put that to the side, and let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the tablet right here. Now, I think this is a, what was the exact number? 10.95 or something like that? Somebody tell me in the comments exactly what the screen size is. We'll take the tablet out. And then this is the tablet itself. Nice. Google logo in the back. And as you can see, there's the 4 connections there. And we do have a camera back here. Now, I don't know if you're going to really take pictures with a tablet, but it's there if you need to for like conference calls or something like that. Yeah, this feels nice. Nice, smooth texture. That's cool. I'm going to flip it over, and then it looks like this. So again, 10.95 inch display. We'll just call it 11 inch display. Front facing camera right there so you can see. And then on the bottom here, yeah, there's some rubber strips here. So this is for, let's just do this right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just mount the tablet like this. So you can see, it just kind of pops on like that. Let me do it again. There you go. Let's see. There you go. Look at that. Let's see, should I do a test here? Like, drop test, I guess. Okay, so if you do that hard enough, I don't know why you want to do that, but if you do that hard enough, like, the tablet will fall. So don't do that. But essentially, that's how you mount the tablet on the thing. Just kind of, you have to kind of line it up a little bit, and boom, it kind of snaps on just like that. So that's pretty cool. Like, I'm digging this actually. That's nice. It kind of gives your tablet a place to go instead of it just laying around in a random place around your house. This doubles as the speaker, obviously, so you can play music, etc. I'm digging this. I'm digging this idea. This is a nice job, Google. I like it. And then on the bottom here, you have the speaker grills, USB Type-C port, the rubber strips, like I said, and then here, more speakers, microphone, and then here is the volume rocker, power button, / this is a fingerprint scanner, a couple of mics. So yeah, let's go ahead and just turn this bad boy on, and we'll have a look at the UI. It's gonna turn on, right? Are we gonna turn on? Do you have enough charge? Uh-oh. Is this DOA? Okay, good. I was about to say. Google, man, you kind of scared me there for a second. So here we go, powered by Android. So let me know down below, what do you think of the white bezels here? I don't know, I kind of like it. Everything now seems to have black bezels. So I kind of like the white, kind of a throwback to like the white iPhone. So welcome to your Pixel tablet. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the get started here. I clicked on it, right? Click. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi, etc. Give me a second. All right, back into it. Set up fingerprint unlock. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and we'll do this. Boom, almost done. Here we go. Add another? Nah, good with the one. All right, so I've been playing with this Pixel tablet for past little bit. So you are probably wondering, like, how does it sound? First, let's go ahead and turn on the display and the fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner works pretty cool. No issues there. And then I do like the animation there from the top right corner. Kind of goes like that. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do a real quick sound test here. So this is not on the dock. Take a listen. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. I mean, it sounds decent. There's not a lot of bass to it though. It's kind of trebly, but once you go ahead and put it on the dock, it sounds a lot better. So yeah, sounds pretty good. My recommendation would be to listen to it definitely, most definitely on the dock, as this adds the bass and it makes the sound richer. Now when you dock it, it does also charge the tablet, so that's pretty cool. It does limit the charge limit to about, I guess they're saying 90%, so you don't blow up your battery by overcharging it. Now I did notice, however, like when I'm docking it's not hard. Just gotta line it up a little bit and it'll kind of snap in place and it'll kind of make that animation, as you can see. But when I take it out, I've noticed that I can't really just yank it off like that. See, it kind of takes the whole thing. So if I try to do it, see? So you gotta, I think there's a two-handed required operation. You just have to kind of hold it and then take it off like that. Let me know in the comments if you have this tablet, if you can take it off just one-handed like that. I can't seem to be able to do it. Like, it takes the whole thing. Magnets are pretty strong. I guess that's a good thing. Your tablet's not gonna really fall. Let's even line this up, see. There you go, just kind of snaps on. Now, the rubber feet here, that's if you're resting it and it accidentally falls down, because sometimes you may not get it perfect the first time, so your tablet would hit the surface. So the rubber here kind of protects the tablet, so I do like that. Thank you, Google. Very thoughtful. So I'm gonna go into tablet and then go to settings and then here on the hub mode. So the hub mode is obviously when you place it on the hub. So you have different options here of what you want the tablet to do. So right now I have it on the full screen clock, but you can have an art gallery. So you click on that. Now you have to log in to set that up. Google Photos, you have to log into your Google Photos and it'll take photos from your account to show on your screen. Weather, and then also Weather Frog, I guess that's an app. But for me, the full screen lock is pretty cool. So you go in here, get to choose what clock face. I'm gonna choose this one, click customize, and then you can configure this to be automatic, light or dark, whatever you fancy. And then when you dock, it's gonna do the animation. Let's see, let's do that again. And then there we go, there's the clock so you can see. So the light mode looks like that. Then you do dark mode. See what this looks like. That's nice. There you go, that's the dark mode right there. So depending on what you fancy, I think that's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the UI real fast. You can configure this in Android to whatever apps you want. Now the cool thing about this is that, let's say you're in an app, let's say YouTube, right? You're watching a movie, a video. If you want to do like the split screen, let's see, I'm gonna choose Chrome. Just drag it and then put it over there. And then there you go. There's your split screen mode. You can kind of adjust this, right? To, you know, whatever size you need. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the Google Pixel tablet. Throw it back a little bit and bust out this is the Nexus 6P. Yeah, I'm still holding on to this phone. I have not turned it on, so I don't know if it works. But yeah, shout out to the Nexus line. Google, bring it back. I miss it. So let me know down below what you think of the Pixel tablet. Did you pick one up? Do you like the docking idea here with the speaker, etc.? I think it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Peace out.